How to fix Snapchat not letting you add friends. So there's a reason behind this. That might be because Snapchat application is currently down or there's a bug. So what you can do is you can go here to your App Store or your Play Store depending on what device you have there, and you look for Snapchat application. Now here on Snapchat, if you see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now it's very important for you to update your application. That is because there might be bugs there that can only be resolved once you update your application. And if it still doesn't work, then what you can do is you can go here to your Snapchat application directly. And then on the upper left, you will see your Bitmoji there. Tap on your Bitmoji. And then on the upper right, you'll see the gear icon or the settings. Tap on that and scroll all the way down up until you see the feedback section where you can see I spotted a bug there, and click on that. Now here, what you want to do next is to look for the issue related to this. So tap on friends, and here you can choose the topic. So adding and removing friends, and basically explain what problem you have there. You can say that I cannot add friends on my Snapchat, and just tap on submit here and basically wait for the Snapchat community to get back to you and fix your problem. And basically that's it. That's how you fix Snapchat not letting you add friends, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.